So let's talk about shooting vertically. We've been shooting horizontally and that fits into our tripod very nicely. If you want to shoot vertically, you're trying to get a full tall frame. And one of the great ways that I love to shoot vertically is showing off my feet, but also showing off a little bit more. Let me show you what I mean. If I sit like this and I bend forward just a little bit, I can see my face in the top of that frame, and my feet are perfectly framed towards the bottom. Now, it also shows off a little bit of booty, which is very exciting for your foot fans. So just sit on your feet, wiggle your toes every now and then, check in, caress your wrinkles maybe, get creative. Ooh, but the most important thing you should remember is that when you're shooting outside, you want to be in the shade. Do not go in the sun. You're going to be burned, you're going to feel bad, it's going to look bad. Find a shady spot and let your camera do the rest. The shady spot is really going to keep you cool and it's going to make your content look great. Audio sounds really awesome outside, so this might be a time for you to experiment with talking to your audience. If you haven't done that yet, try saying a few things, a couple sentences, telling them how much you're enjoying making this video just for them. And again, get creative. You know, what this camera sees is a lot different than what you're seeing. Why don't you take a look? How fun is it? Put both of your feet in the frame and just play with your angles like we talked about in the other video. Show off your pedicure, show off your soles. Pedicure, soles. Pedicure, soles. You really can't go wrong when you're filming outside, and content that's filmed outside just performs better. It makes more money and it just is more interesting to watch. So don't be shy. Take it outside.